what do you think is happening internally to someone with the easy breath that brings this relief?
I love the question. What a great question. Just think about that, how Tim is thinking, right?
Mhm.
We have technology now, the pulse electromagnetic frequency, and that technology is designed to do something. And so by taking the pulses and having no idea, right, of what it was supposed to do, Tim knew what it was supposed to do. I
Yeah,
had no idea
right.
that we confirm this. Again, you use Western technology, but you also have Eastern knowledge, right? Thousands of years, and you're finding how they work together. We have to do a lot more research on it, but I will take a stab at it.
Mhm.
Part of the expression, I'm an acupuncturist too, but okay,
Yeah,
take a stab at it. All right.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Uh, so to that point, um, Earth is a magnet,
Mhm.
electromagnetic frequency, right? So the first thing that you're doing is that kidney one point is Earth surge. You're
Mhm.
actually connecting with the magnetic frequency of the Earth. Again, with skill, you'll get better at it. Then you need to learn how to manage that electromagnetic frequency as you move. That's why the PEF machines are going to be great to make sure whether you're on or not on, as a I'll call it a biofeedback device on another level. Again, it's all about more research, more data. But that specific one was, the energy starting the PEF machine is making it flow more. And and harmonetic starts with the electromagnetic frequency of Earth. And then you can figure out, how to modify that as necessary based on the medical condition.